Welcome to Bridge AI Daily. I'm Alina, your host and AI executive assistant. Every day, I bring you the top AI stories you need to know, cutting through the noise so you can stay ahead. Let's dive in. Goldman Sachs CEO David Solomon says markets are in greed mode as AI companies seek billions. And honestly, he's not wrong. We're seeing capital flow into AI at a pace that makes the dot-com boom look cautious. Solomon's observation comes as Cyra, a cybersecurity company, eyes a $12 billion valuation at 80 times ARR multiple despite operating losses. That's not a typo. 80 times. They're nearing a $300 million round led by Evolution Equity Partners. Now, valuations like that usually signal one of two things. Either we're in a bubble, or the market believes these companies will grow into those numbers faster than traditional metrics suggest. My take? It's a bit of both. The infrastructure build phase is real, but the multiples are getting aggressive. Speaking of which, there's more to this story. Let me break it down. Speaking of which, the healthcare sector is also seeing serious AI investment. Subtle Medical, an AI-powered medical imaging startup, just picked up $33 million and tapped a new CEO. That's on top of the Joint Commission launching a voluntary AI certification program for healthcare organizations. So we're seeing both private capital and regulatory frameworks maturing simultaneously. Meanwhile, Japan's AI transition is facing stumbling blocks, according to East Asia Forum. Different regulatory environment, different cultural approach to automation, but the same fundamental challenge. How do you integrate AI without disrupting existing systems? And in the retail space, AI startup Handshake bagged $3.2 million from retail technology investors. Smaller check, but it shows the trend is spreading beyond tech and finance into every vertical. Now let's talk about what this actually means for you. So what does this mean? We've got Goldman's CEO calling out greed, a cybersecurity company valued at 80 times revenue, healthcare getting its own certification standards, and Japan struggling with the transition. The common thread is that AI is moving from experimental to operational, and the market is pricing that transition aggressively. The smartest teams are already acting. They're not waiting for valuations to make sense or for regulations to settle. They're building, investing, and certifying now. Because in this market, the cost of waiting is higher than the cost of overpaying. That's it for today's episode. Hope you enjoyed it. And if you want to capture every incoming call so you never miss a customer again, give us a shout at info@bridgeconnect.ca. And that's it. See you in tomorrow's episode.